Hi everyone, I am Srisha. This is your first lesson in grade 3 social science. Today's chapter is occupation and its types. Before we start our today topic, shall I recall your new words? PRIMARY, primary, OCCUPATION, occupation, primary occupation. PRIMARY, primary, OCCUPATION, occupation, primary occupation. SECONDARY, secondary, OCCUPATION, occupation, secondary occupation. SECONDARY, secondary, OCCUPATION, occupation, secondary occupation. Tertiary occupation, TERTIARY, tertiary, OCCUPATION, occupation, tertiary occupation. TERTIARY, tertiary, OCCUPATION, occupation, tertiary occupation. Well, now we are going to take a recap about your previous topic. What did you learn in your last class? Shall I tell you? Primary occupation. Am I correct, children? What is meant by primary occupation? Primary occupation means work that involving taking raw material from the environment and using them for various uses. For example, farmers, fishermen, mining, etc. So, today we are going to see about primary occupation. In that, we are going to see about farming, rearing animals, dairy farming, cattle farming, fish farming, poultry farming, bee farming, working in forest, and catching and mining. These are all the topics only we are going to see in our today's class. Shall we, children? First we are going to see about farming. Farming is a great way to describe the lifestyle and work of people whose jobs are in the agriculture industry. Farming is the act or process of working the ground, planting seeds and growing edible plants. You can also describe raising animals for milk or meat as farming. Most of the population of India lives in villages. Farming or agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages. The farmers grow crops which include grains, pulses, spices, fruits and vegetables. Next we are going to see about rearing animals. The rearing of animals is defined as animals raised or bred for their use or for pleasure or for profit, often for food. Livestock, both goat and cow. Rearing is also the main occupation of villages in India because we get milk from cow, we get meat from goat. Different animals are reared for different purposes. Next, we are going to see about dairy farming. Dairy farming is a class of agriculture for long-term production of milk, which is processed for eventual sale of a dairy product. As I told you already, cows and buffaloes give milk. Dairy farming is one of the most important occupations and it plays a major role in our Indian economy. Dairy farming is the one of the most important occupation because milk is required in large quantities. Cows and buffaloes give milk. So, dairy farming involves mainly rearing of cows and buffaloes. Next, cattle farming. Cattle farming is the process of raising cattle from birth until the point at which they provide food or milk for consumption. Cattle farming involves rearing cattle like cows and bullocks. Bullocks are used for plowing fields and drawing crops. These are also known as draft animals. Rearing of animals like cows and bullocks comes under farming, that is cattle farming. Next we are going to see about fish farming. Fish farming, it is also called pisciculture. It involves rearing of fish. Fish farming or pisciculture involves rearing of fish. Fish is a staple food of many people. We get medicinal oil from fish. Processing and packing fish in tins is one of the occupations related to fishing. Most commonly, the species of fish that are used for fish farming are salmon, catfish, carp, etc. Next, we are going to see about poultry farming. Would you like to eat egg? Yes, of course, we all like to eat egg. Rearing of hens, ducks and geese is mainly done for meat and eggs. It comes under poultry farming. Poultry farming is one of the successful occupations in our country. It involves rearing hens, ducks and geese. It is mainly done for meat and eggs. Next, we are going to see about bee farming. Bee farming is the practice of keeping and maintaining bees and their hives. A beekeeper looks after the bees. Bee farming is mainly done for honey, beeswax and various other products. Next, working in forest. A large part of our country is covered with forests. Many people work in these forests. Some cut trees which is used to make furniture. Wood is also used as fuel. Some people carry wood from forest to other places. Next, ant catching. There is an occupation called ant catching. People involved in this occupation catch ants for use in ant farms. The ant catchers use a variety of methods for collecting ants. Most commonly used practice is ant picking of ants. Next, mining. The earth gives many things like minerals. These minerals lie deep under the ground. Metals such as gold, silver, iron, etc. are taken out by digging underground. Digging out of the ground is called mining. The people who are engaged in this are known as miners. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for related our topic. Refer your concept book in the page number of 11, 12 and 13 and answer the following questions in the note. Shall I tell your first question? Your first question is, wood is also used as dash. Wood is also used as dash. Your second question is, dash is mainly done for meat and eggs. Dash is mainly done for meat and eggs. Your third question is, dash or agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages. Dash or agriculture is the main occupation of the people in villages. Your fourth question is, what is cattle farming? Your fourth question is, what is cattle farming? Your fifth question is, what is meant by primary occupation? Your fifth question is, what is meant by primary occupation? Now, we are going to learn few new words for reading practice which are given below. Shall we? Primary occupation. Primary, primary. Occupation, occupation. Primary occupation. Primary, primary. Occupation, occupation. Primary occupation. Farming, farming. Farming, farming. Rearing, rearing. Animals, animals, rearing animals. Rearing, rearing. Animals, animals, rearing animals. Dairy, dairy. Farming, farming, dairy farming. Dairy, dairy. Farming, farming, dairy farming. Cattle, cattle. Farming, farming, cattle farming. Cattle. Farming, farming, cattle farming. Fish, fish, farming, farming, fish farming. Fish, fish, farming, farming, fish farming. Poultry farming, poultry, poultry, farming, farming, poultry farming. Poultry, poultry, farming, farming, poultry farming. Bee farming, bee, farming, farming, bee farming. Bee, farming, farming, bee farming. Ant, catching, catching, ant catching. Ant, catching, catching, ant catching. Mining, 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 working in forest. Working, working, in, forest, forest, working in forest. Working, working, in, forest, forest, working in forest. I hope that you all enjoyed our today's class. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.